Okay, so I've been out driving around with the air on. The car's still at 192. If we didn't have the fan jumpered like it is, or we did earlier, and the fan's on right away, it would probably be much higher than this, because I have been in stop and go, I've been in red lights, I've been this, that, and the other, and even without the air on, I mean, it just drops like a rock, temperature-wise. But that's because the fan is kicked in and doing its job when the thermostat opens, as opposed to letting it build that almost 60-degree head of heat before it comes on to try to cool itself down. And it just does not work when you're sitting at lights and stop and go and stop and go and stop and go. It just keeps building. Whereas now, I mean, you can see it's climbing, but it's not even at 200 degrees. It'll probably be at 200 by the time I get to turn, but it'll drop again. Close, I mean, 198. But, you know, it's gonna climb. That's coming down already. 96, 95. Continue to drop. So these things, they do not like to sit, they do not like to idle. Period. Because they have next to no ventilation to begin with. You know, there's no grill openings. And it is all drawn in from underneath, which is fine, but you need to have the fan on. You know, you need to have that ductwork sealed up as good as you can. But with driving down the road and there's airflow, we're back down to 191.